हाय फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू इंग्लिश सिंपल जोन। इस वीडियो में गुस्से में काम आने वाले अंग्रेजी सेंटेंसेस के बारे में बताया गया है। सो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं।
मुझे गुस्सा मत दिलाओ। डोंट मेक मी एंग्री। डोंट मेक मी एंग्री। मैं तुम्हारा गुलाम नहीं हूँ। आई एम नॉट योर स्लेव। आई एम नॉट योर स्लेव। स्लेव मीन्स गुलाम। मुझे क्या करना है ये तुम मत बोलो। यू डोंट टेल मी व्हाट टू डू। यू डोंट टेल मी व्हाट टू डू। ये क्या बकवास है। What is this nonsense? What is this nonsense? तुम क्या बकवास कर रहे हो। What nonsense are you talking? What nonsense are you talking? तुम्हारी बकवास बंद करो। Stop talking nonsense or stop nonsense. Stop talking nonsense or stop nonsense. यहाँ क्या बकवास चल रही है। What the hell is going on here? What the hell is going on here? मैं तंग आ गया तुमसे। I am sick of you or I am fed up with you. I am sick of you or I am fed up with you. मैं इससे तंग आ गया हूँ। I am sick of it or I am fed up with it. I am sick of it or I am fed up with it. क्या मैं तुम्हें मूर्ख या बेवकूफ़ दिखाई दे रहा हूँ। Do I look like a fool to you? Do I look like a fool to you? Fool means बेवकूफ़। तुम मेरे साथ ऐसा कैसे कर सकते हो। How could you do this to me? How could you do this to me? फिर कभी ऐसा मत करना। Don't ever do that again. Don't ever do that again. बच्चों की तरह बर्ताव मत करो। Stop acting like a child. Stop acting like a child. तुम मेरी ज़िंदगी बर्बाद कर रहे हो। You are ruining my life. You are ruining my life. Ruin means बर्बाद। तुम मेरी ज़िंदगी क्यों बर्बाद कर रहे हो। Why are you ruining my life? Why are you ruining my life? तुम मुझसे बच नहीं सकते। You can't escape from me. You can't escape from me. मैं उसे दिखाऊंगा कि मैं कितना शक्तिशाली हूँ। I will show her how powerful I am. I will show her how powerful I am. मैं उसे सबक सिखाऊंगा। I will teach her a lesson. I will teach her a lesson. तुम मुझ पर चिल्ला क्यों रहे हो। Why are you yelling at me? Why are you yelling at me? Yell means चिल्लाना। मुझ पर चिल्लाना बंद करो। Stop yelling at me. Stop yelling at me. मेरा मजाक उड़ाना बंद करो। Stop making fun of me. Stop making fun of me. मैं इसे और नहीं झेल सकता। I can't take this anymore. I can't take this anymore. अपना हाथ मेरे ऊपर से हटाओ। Get your hands off me. Get your hands off me. तुम बहुत स्वार्थी हो। You are so selfish. You are so selfish. मुझे ऐसे लोग पसंद नहीं है। I don't like such people. I don't like such people. तुम मुझे क्यों नहीं समझते।
Why don't you understand me? Why don't you understand me? बहाने बनाना बंद करो. Stop making excuses. Stop making excuses. मुझे कम मत समझो. Don't underestimate me. Don't underestimate me. तुम झूठ बोल रहे हो. You are lying. You are lying. तुम मुझसे झूठ बोल रहे हो. You are lying to me. You are lying to me. तुम फिर से झूठ बोल रहे हो. You are lying again. You are lying again. तुम्हें शर्म आनी चाहिए. You should be ashamed. You should be ashamed. तुम्हें अपने आप पर शर्म आनी चाहिए. You should be ashamed of yourself. You should be ashamed of yourself. तुम्हारी हिम्मत कैसे हुई ये बोलने की. How dare you say that? How dare you say that? तुम्हारी यहाँ आने की हिम्मत कैसे हुई. How dare you come here? How dare you come here? ये सब तुम्हारी गलती है या ये सब तुम्हारा दोष है. This is all your fault. This is all your fault. तुम मुझे क्यों घूर रहे हो. Why are you staring at me? Why are you staring at me? मुझे घूरना बंद करो. Stop staring at me. Stop staring at me. उसे यहाँ से बाहर निकालो. Get him out of here. Get him out of here. ये बहुत नाइंसाफ़ी है. This is so unfair. This is so unfair. मैं ऐसा नहीं करूँगा. I won't do it. I won't do it. तुम जो चाहो करो लेकिन मैं ऐसा नहीं करूँगा. Do whatever you want, but I won't do it. Do whatever you want, but I won't do it. ज़्यादा हंसो मत. Don't laugh too much. Don't laugh too much. मुझे परेशान करना बंद करो. Stop annoying me. Stop annoying me. मैं यह सहन नहीं करूँगा. I will not bear this. I will not bear this. मैं ऐसी चीज़ों को सहन नहीं करूँगा. I will not bear such things. I will not bear such things. मुझे तुमको सब कुछ समझाने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. I don't need to explain you everything. I don't need to explain you everything. तुम बहुत बोलते हो. You speak a lot. You speak a lot. तुम मुझे परेशान कर रहे हो. You are disturbing me. You are disturbing me. तुम मुझे क्यों परेशान कर रहे हो. Why are you disturbing me? Why are you disturbing me? दूसरों में दोष या बुराइयां ढूंढना बंद करो. Stop finding faults in others or stop picking out evil in others. Stop finding faults in others or stop picking out evil in others. तुम इतनी किच-किच क्यों कर रही हो. Why are you mumping so much? Why are you mumping so much? तुम बिल्कुल भी नहीं सुन. You don't listen at all. You don't listen at all. तुमने मुझसे पूछे बिना ऐसा क्यों किया? Why did you do this without asking me? Why did you do this without asking me? तुम हर वक्त यही बात करती रहती हो। You keep saying the same thing all the time. You keep saying the same thing all the time. मैं इस बारे में बात नहीं करना चाहता। I don't want to talk about it. I don't want to talk about it. मेरे सामने अपनी आवाज़ मत उठाओ। Don't raise your voice before me. Don't raise your voice before me. कुछ भी मत छिपाओ। Don't hide anything. Don't hide anything. मुझसे कुछ मत छिपाओ। Don't hide anything from me. Don't hide anything from me.